Question 1. The following are numbered tickets for a raffle at school: 5,268, 5,628, 5,068, 5,208. Which statement about two of these tickets numbers is true? A. 5,268 is greater than 5,208 because 268 is greater than 208. B. 5,268 is equal to 5,628 because 8 is equal to 8. C. 5,068 is greater than 5,208 because 68 is greater than 8. 5,208 is equal to 5,268 because 5,200 is equal to 5,200. Number 2. Enrique is giving 8 teams an equal number of his jerseys. He has 72 jerseys to give out to the teams. How many jerseys will each team receive? F. 80 because 72 plus 8 is 80. G. 9 because 8 times 9 is 72. H. 8 because 8 times 8 is 72. J. Not here. 3. Daniel placed his star sticker on the number line to identify the location of 4/6. Which of the following number lines correctly shows where Daniel placed his sticker? Which one of these is equal to 4 out of 6? Number 4. 3 tables were set up in the classroom for a party. The first table measured 47 inches. The second table measured 93 inches. The third table measured 107 inches. Which is the best estimate of the total length of the 3 tables in inches? F. 250, G. 230, H. 260, J. 200. Number 5. Which of these models represents the same number? Model X, Model Y, Model Z. A. Models Y and Z because 3 tens is equal to 3 hundreds. B. Model X and Z because 30 ones is equal to 3 hundreds. C. Model X and Y because 30 ones is equal to 3 tens. D. None. 6. The fraction bar and number line are shown below. Which number represents the distance from 0 to point X? Which fraction is equal to that shown above? F. 2, G. 3/4, H. 2/4, J. 3. 7. Eva went to the mall with her sister. They bought candy at the sweet shop. They bought 4 bags of gumballs with 12 gumballs in each bag. They bought 64 gummy bears. How many pieces did the girls buy in all? A. 80, B. 76, C. 112, D. 102. 8. The average length of a beetle is approximately 3/8 of an inch. Kaylee wants to place this number on the number line. Where should she place the dot for 3/8? Point W, point X, point Y, or point Z? Nine. The Garcia family went on vacation to visit their grandparents. From their house, their grandparents' house is 893 miles. The first day they drove 256 miles. The second day they drove 312 miles. Which model below represents how to find the amount of miles they drove on the third day? Ten. Jamie wrote the number 46,701 on his paper. How is this number written in expanded notation? 4 10,000s plus 6 1,000s plus 7 100s plus 1 10. G, 4 1,000s plus 6 100s plus 7 10s plus 1 1. H, 4 10,000s plus 6 100s plus 7 10s plus 1 1. J, 4 10,000s plus 6 1,000s plus 7 100s plus 1 1. 11. There are 8 juice boxes in each package. Which table shows the number of juice boxes in different numbers of packages? With 8 in each package. Question 12. The number of animals treated by 4 veterinarians is shown on the number line below. Which veterinarian treated about 1,300 animals? Dr. Smith, Dr. Grimm, Dr. White, or Dr. James? Which one is closest to 1,300? Dr. Smith, Dr. Grimm, Dr. White, or Dr. James? Charlotte divided her garden into 6 equal sections for different vegetables as shown below. What is the name of the fractional unit for each section of Charlotte's garden? Is it 1/6, 5/6, 6/6, or 2/6? Jessie used the following base 10 blocks to create a number. Which of these describes the number Jessie created? The sum of 6 thousands, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 ones. 2 thousands, 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 6 ones. 5 thousands, 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 6 ones. Miss Montes wrote the following equation on the board. What number belongs in the blank to make the equation true? 12 is equal to what divided by 60? A, 65, B, 2, C, 7, or D, 60? 12 equals blank divided by 5. Anna Lee and her sister Kelly sold lemonade at a soccer game over the weekend. After taking out money for their expenses, they made $9.52. Which of the following could not represent the amount of money they made? Which one is not equal to $9.52? F, G, H, or J? Which one is not $9.52? 17. The PE teacher has a collection of 30 basketballs and 24 soccer balls. He wants to give 6 teams an equal number of balls. How many balls will each team have? 4, 5, 9, or none? Mr. Portales keeps track of how much his prized pecan trees grew each month. Every month the tree grows exactly 6 inches. He recorded the height of the pecan tree each month, as shown in the table below. Looking at the table, during which month would the height of the pecan tree be 42 inches? What number goes where the question mark is? The 3rd month, the 6th month, the 7th month, or the 9th month? (19) Inglewood Elementary has 4 classes in 3rd grade with a total of 80 students. If there are 20 students in Miss Porter's class, 18 students in Mr. Rodriguez's class, and 21 students in Miss Hunt's class, which number line represents one way to determine the number of students in Mr. Avery's class? 80 total, 20 in Miss Porter's, 18 in Mr. Rodriguez, and 21 in Miss Hunt's. How many are in Mr. Avery's class? $20. Sean shared a package of 8 pencils with his friend David. If they shared all of the pencils equally, which fractions of pencils does each boy get? Sean shared a package of 8 pencils with his friend David. If they shared all the pencils equally, what fraction of the package does each boy get? F. 2/8, G. 4, H. 2, J. 4/8. 21. There are a total of 493 elementary schools. Some of these schools are located in urban areas. The other 287 schools are in rural areas. Which equation could not be used to find the number of schools located in urban areas? (22) Noelle has a sticker book with 8 pages. She places a sticker on the first, second, and third page. Which number sentence shows the fraction of the pages without stickers on them? Which sentence shows the fraction of pages without stickers on them? F. 1/8 plus 2/8 plus 3/8 equals 6/8. G. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 5/8. H. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 5/5. J. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 3/8. Which fraction is the pages without stickers on them? With no stickers. Sarah bought 4 bags of apples. Each bag has 6 apples. She divided the apples evenly among 3 baskets. Which equation shows how many apples were in each basket? 4 bags, each bag contains 6 apples. She divided the apples evenly among 3 baskets. 4 times 6 divided by 3. 4 times 6 times 3. 4 times 6. 4 times 3 divided by 6. 24. Dr. Dennis sees 27 patients. He sees an equal number of patients on 3 days. Which of the following shows how many patients he saw each day? He sees 27 patients over 3 days. $25. Kevin and Jason each have a piggy bank. Kevin found 23 cents under the couch, which he put in his piggy bank. His parents gave him 25 cents each week. Jason had 5 cents left over from buying a soda. His parents also gave him 25 cents each week. The table below shows the amount of money they each had during different weeks. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the amounts of money in the tables? A. The amount of Kevin's money plus 18 equals the amount of Jason's money. B. The amount of Jason's money plus 25 equals the amount of Kevin's money. C. The amount of Kevin's money minus 18 equals the amount of Jason's money. D. The amount of Kevin's money minus 25 equals the amount of Jason's money. 26. Jack, Anna, and Mary each have their own savings account in the bank. Jack has $415, Anna has $175, and Mary has $298. How much more do the girls have together than Jack has? How much more money do the girls have combined than Jack? F. 888, G. 473, H. 62, J. 58. 27. Sandy played 6 songs at each of her piano recitals. She had 6 recitals last year. Which model can be used to find the number of songs she played at all of her recitals last year? 6 songs at each recital, and she played 6 recitals.